Everybody, this is Chad with round two. So we're back with another product spotlight for July 2020. So there's a lot of really cool stuff coming out this month. We've got new 1/64 scale releases for both Auto World and Johnny Lightning. We've got three new 1/18 scale cars for Auto World that are coming out. We've also got a new Auto World slot car set and some new Auto World slot car releases for 4Gear. And in model kits, we've got a new car kit coming out. We've got two new show rod kits and a new Star Trek kit. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with the model kits. Alright, so first off for model kits is the Gangbusters 1932 Chrysler Imperial 8 convertible coupe with rumble seat. So some of the really neat stuff about this is not only can you build that 32 Chrysler Imperial, which has two different motors, you can build it with the top up or the top down, but it has all these great Gangbusters accessories that come with it. So along with this kit, we've expanded the decal sheet. We include a couple different windshield options, so a regular one, or if you want to do it all bullet riddled, you can do that too. It also comes with two gangster figures that come with the kit, and a full 18-piece police motorcycle that you can build alongside it to be chasing it. There's a bunch of parts to make a safe and all these different variations, if you want the door open or closed. Luggage rack, the two motors like we were talking about, Tommy guns, a 38, old sniper rifle, just a ton of really neat stuff that you could build with this one. I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with for this kit, whether it's a clean build or one that's all that's all shot up or being chased by the cops there. So one that's really a cool kit and one that we're really excited about. And there's a look at that parts tree on the back of that kit as well for you guys. Next up in models, we also have an awesome show rod coming out, the little Gypsy Wagon. So some of the really neat features about this kit, we have two window color options that are coming with it. We've got pre-lettered rear tires on it. We've expanded that decal sheet and kept that vintage style original packaging on it as well. So this is also a Catch the Cat kit. So 1 in every 12 will be molded in metallic translucent orange. And some of the really neat features that come with this, you can see that the plated lantern headlights, just that super cool body on it, the Transylvania Tea Room body, plated cycle type front wheels, and then a lot of the really cool little gypsy accessories with it as well. The camping accessories, fiddle, expansion tank, steering wheel, skull shifters, keg, fuel tank, and just a lot of other really neat stuff. So we're excited to see what kind of builds you guys come up with for this, and there's a look at that parts tree too. And next up, if you like the show rods and the show cycles, we also have the MPC Tiki Trike coming here. So what's really cool about this, we've got a customizing decal sheet with a lot of options on it. There's clear parts molded in 3 different colors that come on this kit, and you can see some of the cool things that come with it here too. The optional roof decals, custom headlights, super wide tires, torch tiki decals, and there's a look at that parts tree where you can see things that are molded in the clear, orange tinted, green tinted, and a lot of really cool decals that come with it as well. So another kit that we're really excited to show you guys. Can't wait to see what you do with that. And it's third out of, we'll be bringing 6 of these trick trikes back out that should be coming up here soon. And lastly, for models, this is one that's been highly requested, the Star Trek Galileo Shuttlecraft. So this is an all-new kit. It's in 1/32 scale plastic kit. So some of the really neat stuff about this, the Star Trek Original Series Galileo, of course, and you can see the new decal sheet that came with it, so you can build a couple different variations here, the Galileo, Columbus, Einstein, and all those cool decals that come with that. And then also, this kit's made up, it's pretty ideal to put lighting. We don't have a lighting kit available for this one at the moment, but if you want to wire something up, it's perfect for that. Measures 11 inches long, 58 parts, and you can get a look at some of the opening access panel and the landing gears and some of the other cool stuff that comes with this kit as well. Also a full color paint and decal guide will be coming with this kit too. So again, another one we're really excited to bring out. Loving these newly tooled Star Trek kits that are coming out. So that's everything we have for models. Next we're going to jump in and show you guys 1/64. Alright, so first off in 1/64 is the latest release for the Johnny Lightning Street Freak series. So this is a 6-car release, 2 colors of each, A and B. So first off, we have this brand new 1976 Olds Cutlass Zinger. So this has actually never been released as a Zinger before, so it's super great looking. First one here is in Zinger Bright Pink Metallic. You can see for version A here, the Race for Pinks version, and version B here is in that bright white lightning color pearl white with a with the pink pink soft top on it and the pink stripes on there, sugar and spice version. So one that should be really cool to collect, and a new one for all you Zinger collectors that you don't have yet. So really excited to bring that one out. Next up, for Street Freaks, in the spoiler series, the 1967 Plymouth Barracuda. So first one here, version A in metallic deep water blue. Got that 54 spoilers on the side of it. The big chrome engine, of course. And the white letter tires on it, BF Goodrich white letter tires. And version B in metallic bright silver with the black engine. And some black accents on that one as well. Another just great looking car. Third in the release for Street Freaks is in the blacked out series. So this is the 1976 Chevy G20 van. So just two really cool looking variations for this one. First in black and sparkle metallic here, with a lot of cool details that go into that one as well. You can see some really neat bumper stickers on the back of it. And version B, with the big white wheels on it, the 1976 G20 van version B, of course, here. And here it is. You can see some of the white interior, those white wheels, and some of the other accents on it as well. Next in the release, the Demolition Derby. So this is a super cool one, the 1990 Ford Crown Victoria. So some of the really neat things about this, we did this Demolition Derby. This is in Swamp Chomp Green. And you can see the side of it and the spotlights. Even got that alligator look to it, just really menacing. And version B for it is in fire-breathing red monster red, that flat red color. And again, with the eyeballs on it, just a really cool look for a Demolition Derby car. Next in the release, in our Import Heat series, the 2000 Nissan Skyline GTR, the R34 GTR. So the first version here is in lightning yellow. And you can see some of the really cool things on this, like the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk. Got those Bridgestone Potenza tires on there with the rubber tires on it. And the second version here, one of the best looking R34 colors in my opinion, the Millennium Jade. That great looking green, again with the carbon fiber hood and accents and the white letter tires on it, silver wheels. Just another really cool looking car. And lastly, in the off-road series, this is the release of the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, or the off-road runner in this case. So you can see some of the really cool stuff about this. We took this old casting and put these big mudders on it. Made this kind of off-road muscle car. So the dirty old bird on the side of it, that 1969 Roadrunner. You can see just some really cool things on that. All the mud thrown up, mud-colored chassis, and just really neat stuff for that. First version there in orange, and the second variation in blue. So another really fun one to get, put your hands on. Really excited about that one. Then next, we also have, for Johnny Lightning, one more straight pack release in our Cadillac Hearse series. So it's the 1966 Cadillac Hearse, the hobby exclusive. So some of the neat features on this, got the white wall tires. You've got the actual plastic inserts inside for the curtains on the back, and just that great looking detailing on there as well. And next up, we also have a release for Auto World. So this is Auto World, the 2020 Release 3 coming out. So again, 6 cars in this, 2 colors of each, and a great release for you truck guys, because there's quite a few trucks in this one. First being the 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. You can see it here in a bisque gray metallic. Great looking color on that. Second is in race red. And again, you can see a lot of that true 1/64 detailing on there as well. Next up in the release for trucks, the 2019 Chevy Silverado, the Z71 Custom Trail Boss. So this first one here is in Cajun Red Metallic with black wheels on it. That matching card art on there as well. And the second one is in white, the Iridescent Pearl White, and again with black wheels on that. So third in the release, we also have the first release for our lifted square body truck, the 1978 Chevy K10 Silverado Fleet Side. So first one here is in black and red with the red interior. Big beefy tires on it. And those wheels on there as well. Just really filling it out. Looks super cool lifted like that. And the version B is in bright blue metallic and white. Just a great looking color for that with that white top, blue interior on that one. Super, super cool looking. Can't wait to get this one out to you guys. Then next up, we have the next release for our Jeep Wrangler JK, the Unlimited Sport. First one here is in bright white. You can see again, it's got the, of course, the 164, true 164 detailing, the correct wheels on it, BF Goodrich tires. And the second one here in extreme purple metallic. Just a great looking color for that one, for version B. And next up in this release, the 1962 Chevy Impala SS409 convertible. So first one here in satin silver poly with the red interior, red line tires on that one, and version B is in tuxedo black, real classy looking tuxedo black with the red interior and the red line tires on that one as well. You got the black wheels to really complement the tuxedo black exterior. And lastly, we have got our 2012 Ford Mustang Boss, the 302 Laguna Seca. So first one here is in black. You see all that really cool red detailing. Got the red on the roof, the red spoiler, red wheels on that one, and the ingot silver for the other variation with those great red detailings on it as well. Another one we're super stoked about bringing to you guys. So that's everything we've got for 164th. Next we'll jump in and show you guys 118. Alright, so first off in 118 is the 1962 Royal Bobcat Catalina test car. So some of the really neat features about this one, it is in the aquamarine color, and this is based on the first Royal Bobcat Catalina, the one that was used as a test car for Motor Trend magazine to showcase the power of the Super Duty motor. Of course, sold by Royal Pontiac in Royal Oak, Michigan. And some of the neat features about this diecast, it of course has the steerable front wheels, the opening doors, opening hood, got that matching interior on it that just looks great in that car there, and all the chrome accents and everything else that you come to expect out of our 118. And there's a lot of cool information on the back too about the car and its history, and the Super Duty motor, all the Royal Bobcat stuff. That's really neat and really fun to bring out. So also for 118, the next one we've got the 1971 Dodge Charger RT. So this is next in our series of muscle car and Corvette national cars. So some of the really neat stuff about this one, we did improve the tooling on the Magnum 500 wheels that are on it. So that's new tooling on those wheels, and they look really great on that car. This one, as with all of our muscle car and Corvette national cars, is based on an actual car that was at the show. And this particular car had some really neat houndstooth interior, if you can see it there on the camera that's inside of this. It looks really cool. And there's some pictures on the back, of course, of the real car, owned by George Notelli, who was over there at the show and was kind enough to let us take photos and replicate his car on there. So another one we're really happy to bring out with those new wheels, that 440 Magnum engine, and just a lot of really other neat features that come with that car. And last for 118, we have the Plymouth, the 1970 Duster 340. So here it is in a gorgeous red color with the matching red interior. Got the Duster 340, of course, all the emblems and badging that are on it as well. Those white line tires, and this was actually a cover car for Hemmings Classic Car magazine. You can see the cover here, September 2007. So another one we're really happy to bring out. Of course, opening doors and hood, steerable wheels, detailed engine, detailed interior, all of that great stuff. So that's everything we've got for 118. Lastly, we're going to show you guys what we got for slot cars. So first off is our latest release for 4Gear. So this is a 4-car release, starting with the NHRA, the John Force NHRA funny car, Blue Def funny car. So super cool looking graphics on that. You got all the details from the real John Force car on here as well. And just great looking on that 4-gear body on the outside. And next up in this release, we have the Matt Hagen NHRA funny car as well, the Mopar car. And you can see all the really neat details on that one as well. So we have been doing some more drag strips and stuff that are perfect to run these on. So you'll see some more of that stuff coming out. Third in the release, Robert Height NHRA funny car, the Auto Club car. And you can just see all the great details on that great red, white, and blue paint job, all the little sponsors and everything on the side of the car. And lastly, the Ron Capps NHRA funny car, Pennzoil car. Just great looking colors on that really pop, that blue and yellow on there. and the Napa on the top, Pennzoil on the side. Just another really cool car. But also, we have a new slot car track coming to you guys. So this is a super cool one we're excited about, the California Cruisin' Racing slot car set. So what's really neat about this set, comes with two different cars here, the 1955 Chevy Bel Air and the 1956 Ford pickup, and that great looking aqua teal color on the outside of that Ford pickup with the red wheels, and it's just a super cool looking one. We did a set a few years back, a Route 66 set. This California Cruising set is more based on the Pacific Coast Highway, so there's a lot of really neat stuff that comes with this. Squeezed bridge, some scenic cardboard stand-ups for all the different scenes along the Pacific Coast Highway. Got your Ferris wheel, surf shop, all that really cool stuff. The figure 8 right here, cross section, and there is a lot of cool stuff coming out too. There's a look at all the alternative track layouts you can have on this, a little more information about that California Cruising set, and then we'll have a lot of other neat stuff coming out in slot cars, a couple of exclusives and stuff that that'll be available soon. And that's everything we've got for this month. So again, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. You can follow us on our Facebook page or on go to round2corp.com, or check our Instagram pages, and we'll post all of those links below. Again, really excited to bring this stuff out to you guys. Thank you for watching these videos, and we'll see you in August.